Welcome back. Media reports on shortage of medicines and surgery postponement in GMC echoed in Assembly. MLA Rohan County sought a reply from Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. Minister Parsekar claimed that there is no shortage of medicines or equipments in the GMC and all the surgeries are carried out without any delay. When County tried to elaborate more on the crisis, Speaker disallowed further discussion, citing it as zero-hour mention.
The patients visiting Goa Medical College and Hospital at Bambolim are worried to their life as the inpatients and the OPD patients are forced to buy medicines from outside, which they were supposed to get free of charge. The operations are paralyzed, drugs are not available for special issues like cancer, diabetes, cardiac arrest, etc. The issue is very serious. The minister to reply suitably.
Non-availability of equipments. No operation, no single operation has been postponed due to lack of equipments. But किने आरोप करा भाई योग्य नहीं. वक्ताच्या बाबतीत Speaker sir, it is the same case. जे वक्ता ना ती आम्ही local purchase करून दिदान. त्यामुळे वक्ता ना असे म्हणून घ्यायचे ना.
खवटे बाब Lawrence bus just sit. Let him answer first. I will see to it. Just sit.
It's not a question only of operation.
No operation has been postponed. आमची 12 ऑपरेशन थिएटर आसात GMC पूर्ण फुल फ्लेज चालू आसा. वक्ता केन्नाय जर खंयचो एखादो ड्रग नासत जाल्यार आमी लोकल परचेस करतात स्पीकर सर.
Because in patient जे असतात
discussion this is 0 hour, you must understand. This is
injection which is given for cancer
no,
patients.
I cannot give you chance. No.
Anti-narcotics cell of Goa police has seized 4 kilo and 140 grams of amphetamine drugs from a British national and has arrested him. Value of the seized contraband is approximately 2 crores 5 lakh rupees in international market. ANC-SP claim that this is the biggest ever seizure of drugs in Goa.
Working on a specific tip of anti-narcotic cell on Wednesday evening conducted a raid at Kanduli and seized biggest ever consignment of drugs in Goa. The ANC team arrested a British national, Gary Beard, with illegal possession of 4 kilo 140 grams of amphetamine drugs worth approximately 2 crores 5 lakh rupees in international market.
A British national, by name Gary Beard, was arrested yesterday. Was found the illegal possession of 4.14 kgs of amphetamine, and the approximate value of the seized contraband is 2 crore 5 lakhs in international market. Yeah, we had an information. We were working towards this for a pretty long period of time, and yesterday, we got an opportunity to nab him.
Amphetamine drugs is a new type of party drugs. This is the second seizure of amphetamine drugs. During the preliminary interrogation, it has come to the light that accused Gary Beard has been visiting Goa since many years. He was residing in a hotel at Kanduli and was about to deliver the drugs to a prospective customer when the cops raided. Police is investigating his further links.
No, we are looking into that. We had this information basically. But who he has been, that I cannot reveal all my sources and details. Yes, more arrests will be followed.
With video journalist Tulsidas Chari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Senior BJP leader Venkaiah Naidu is confident that Bharatiya Janata Party will get 100% result in Lok Sabha elections. Naidu is in Goa to review preparation of Lok Sabha elections. He informed that BJP's core committee meeting will be held on Friday to discuss the strategies for elections. Naidu claimed that there is a BJP wave across the country. He feels the party will cross 200 mark under the leadership of Narendra Modi.
A small review of the preparation for the Lok Sabha elections. I will be meeting with the core team of the Goa party tomorrow morning to review the preparations for the elections, part of the campaign. I am confident even in Goa we will get 100% result. We had 2 seats earlier. I'm sure we'll be able to repeat that. A massive wave is building up in favor of BJP and Narendra Bhai. I am sure, going by the present trend, the BJP itself, you will not be surprised if it crosses 200 by itself and move further. Party has told all our units, do not now think of alliances, focus on expansion and reaching out those sections hitherto which were not there with the BJP.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.